Actually, this is a platform for all India 20 forms of dances that is being organized. And here it becomes necessary to say, today, as we all know, it's an auspicious day, Mahashivratri, and we perform puja and pray Lord Shiva, who is none other than the another form of Lord Nataraja. And on this day, we have so many Natarajas performing on the floor for today and tomorrow. And the coincidence is today and tomorrow, both the days is Mahasivaratri. So on this day, not only the performers, but also I congratulate Madam Anjana Chaudhary ji, the chairman, and all the participants for their wonderful performance that we are all waiting to see for this next today and tomorrow. So my request to you, one and all, to even join this program tomorrow along with your family members, so that everyone will have an opportunity to watch what is Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Kathak. Of course, Tripura is aware of these two, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam and Manipuri, Odissi. So many dances on one floor. It's a very rare occasion. So enjoy this grandeur celebration. Thank you very much.
Srujana Nrithyotsav 2026 at Agartala will be held on today, 15th and 16th of February 2026. On this occasion, on the dais, Honorable Justice T. Amarnath Ghosh, Sir, our Director of ICA Information and Cultural Affairs, Bibhishan Bhattacharya, Srimati Anjana Chaudhary, the Chairperson of Srujana, and the leadership under which the program is going to be held here at Agartala on 15th and 16th